హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేవీ మ్యాథ్స్. నా పేరు అమరేష్. నేను గాజువాక హై స్కూల్లో చదువుకుంటున్నాను. నాకు మ్యాథ్స్ 10th క్లాస్లో ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ అయిన రియల్ నెంబర్స్లో నాకు వచ్చింది నేను మీతో షేర్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు వీడియోలోకి వెళ్దాము. సో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. అసలు మనం రియల్ నెంబర్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి అనుకునే ముందు మనం టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి. టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్. ఓకే, ఈ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్లో ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఏంటో చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ టైప్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్. మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు అనుకుంటున్నాను న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే ఏంటో. న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ డినోటెడ్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ N. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These numbers are endless. Where natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. This is very important. Okay, let us see again about natural numbers. In the first type of numbers, the first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted with capital N. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are endless. Where natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. Okay, now let's go to second type of numbers. Second types of numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted with capital W. Okay, let's see the examples. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are also endless. Okay, let's again see about whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers which starts with 0. Okay, whole numbers are denoted with capital W. Okay, now let's see third type of numbers. Third type of numbers are integers. Okay, integers are denoted with capital I or Z. Let's see the examples of integers. So on, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, as you can see, in integers we can see negative numbers and positive numbers. So simply we can say the definition of integers. The definition of integers are combination of negative numbers, comma, positive numbers, including 0 are known as integers. Okay, let's see the definition of integers again. Integers are denoted with capital I or Z. Integers are the combination of negative numbers, positive numbers, including 0 are known as integers. Okay, I think many of you are having a doubt that integers are denoted with capital I or Z. Okay, we can simply say that I means integers. Then what is Z? Okay, I'll tell you. Z means zenith. Zeneath. Zenith numbers. This is another name for integers. Okay. Now let's see fourth type of numbers. Fourth type of numbers. Okay. Fourth type of numbers are rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted with capital Q. Let's see what is the definition of rational numbers. The numbers in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to integers and Q not equals to 0. It is very important. This is the symbol for belongs to, and this is the symbol for not belongs to. These are very important symbols. And this is the symbol for not equals to. Okay, let's come into the topic where Q not equals to 0. Okay, I want to explain rational numbers again. Rational numbers are denoted with capital Q. That its definition is the numbers in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to integers and Q not equals to 0. Okay, now let us see what will happen if Q equals to 0. Okay, suppose P equals to 3. Okay, P by Q equals to 3 by 0. Can you divide it? Can you divide any number with 0? It's hardly impossible. That is the reason why Q is always not equals to 0. Another important bit, every rational number can be expressed as a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Okay, I think now you will get a doubt what is terminating decimal and what is non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimals are the decimals which have endpoints. Okay, I will write. Terminating decimals end, but non-terminating decimals do not end. Do not end. Okay, now we understood about this. I'll tell again this one. Okay, every rational number can be expressed as a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimals end, but non-terminating decimals do not end. I'll tell you with an example. Example of terminating. Zero point 0.235, 0.357, etc. are the examples of terminating. And examples of non-terminating. Non-terminating. 0.23765, so on, and √3, etc. are the examples of non-terminating. Hope you understood this. And now let's go to another type of numbers. Irrational numbers. Let's first see what are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted with Q dash, or in sometimes it is also denoted as S. Okay, let's see the definition. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. Okay. Examples. First type of example is non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Okay, I want to give you an example of non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Example 23.549767749, so on. It is an example of non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Okay, I'll tell you about it after writing second and third. The numbers which has no square root. The numbers which has no square root. It means the numbers which does not have perfect square root. Okay, example √2. I think many of you will get it out that √2 equals to 1.414, but it's just approximate value. It's not the correct value. √3, √5, √6, etc. Okay, let's see the example of irrational numbers. Log 2, log 3, etc. I mean, these are logarithms. I'll tell you about this in next video. Okay, let's see about irrational numbers now. Irrational numbers denoted with q dash or s. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. Examples of irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. I want to tell in Telugu. Non-terminating అంటే అసలు ఎప్పటికీ ఆ నెంబర్స్ అలా కంటిన్యూ అవుతూనే ఉంటాయి కానీ వాటికి ఎండ్ అనేది ఉండదు. నాన్ రికరింగ్ డెసిమల్స్ అంటే ఒకే నెంబర్ మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ కూడా రిపీట్ అవ్వదు, అంటే సేమ్ సీక్వెన్స్లో రాదు. ఓకే, ద నెంబర్స్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ నో స్క్వేర్ రూట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ √2, √3, √5 does not have perfect square roots, so those numbers comes under irrational numbers. And logarithms which has perfect numbers are also comes under irrational numbers. Now let's come to our topic, that is real numbers. Real numbers. Okay, real numbers. The combined set of rational and irrational numbers. The combined set of rational and irrational numbers. I have forgotten to tell you, real numbers are denoted with capital R. Capital R. Okay. Now let's see this in a simple way. Real numbers are R equals to combined set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted with capital Q union rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted with Q dash. This is a simple way. This is not U, this is union symbol. Okay, I am writing. This is union and this is subset. Okay, let's see in a simple way. Natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, is a subset of integers, is a subset of rational numbers, is a subset of real numbers. Then where is irrational numbers? Irrational numbers is another set. It does not comes into this set. Okay, what is subset? You will learn it in next lesson, or if you want I will tell about it in next class. Comment me if you want it. Okay, I want to show you in a simple diagram about everything. I am not a good artist. Okay, now see, the smallest set is natural numbers, and then the smallest set is whole numbers, and then integers, and then rational numbers, and the other set is irrational numbers. We have already read about it, that the combined set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. So rational numbers and irrational numbers both comes into real numbers. Hope you understood this. I will explain again. See, the combined set of, let us take this red color box as a set, the combined set of the combined set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Okay, that's all for today. I will explain everything from starting. Okay. To learn about real numbers, at first we need to learn about types of numbers. The first types of numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted with n. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is endless. And natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. The second type are whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted with capital W. Examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is also endless. Third type is integers. Integers are denoted with capital I or capital Z. Integers are the combination of negative numbers, positive numbers including 0 are known as integers. This is very important. Okay. Examples are negative number starts from so on to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. And integers are denoted with capital I or Z. In that, I means integer and Z means zenith. Zenith is another name for integers. Fourth type of numbers is rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted with capital Q. The numbers in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equals to 0. Okay. Another important theorem, every rational number can be expressed as a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimals means the decimals which ends, but non-terminating decimals do not end. Okay. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted with Q dash or S. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. Examples: non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Example: 23.549767749, so on. Second example, that numbers which has no square root. I mean no perfect square root. Example: root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, etc. Third one is logarithms. Log 2, log 3, etc. And while coming into our chapter, let's see about real numbers. Real numbers denoted with capital R. The combined set of rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. In a simple way, we can write it as R equals to Q union Q dash. Q union Q dash. Okay. In a simple manner, we can write it as N is natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, is a subset of integers, is a subset of rational numbers, is a subset of real numbers. And irrational numbers is also a subset of real numbers. You can see this diagram. It is a whole set. In this whole set, we can see that rational numbers and irrational numbers comes into real numbers. It is a simple way to determine it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel. KV Maths. KV Maths. Thank you.